Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel TA Educational Hub. Let's move on today's video. Today you will learn about farm animals. You will learn about farm animals names in English with spelling and also in Urdu. So let's see first. Cow, C-O-W, cow, गाय. Cow, गाय. Cow gives milk. It also provides us with meat. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse, घोड़ा. Horse, घोड़ा. Horse is used for riding. Horse. It's a riding horse. Hen, murgi. H-E-N, hen, murgi. Hen gives eggs. It also provides us with meat. Hen. Rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster, मुर्गा. This is a rooster. It provides us with meat. Rooster. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat, बकरी. Goat, bakri. Goat also gives milk. It also provides us with meat. Goat. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, भेड़. Sheep, भेड़. Sheep gives milk. It also provides us with meat and also provide wool. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock, मोर. Peacock, मोर. This is a beautiful peacock. It's a beautiful farm bird. Peacock. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose, hens. Goose is very beautiful and civilized bird. It seems like a duck. Goose. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck, बतख. Duck, बतख. Duck is a farm bird. Duck also gives egg. Duck. Dog, D-O-G, dog, कुत्ता. Dog is a faithful animal. Dog is friendly and faithful to man. Dog. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey, gada. Donkey is a farm animal. It is used for riding. Rabbit, खरगोश, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, खरगोश. It can also be used for meat. It eats grass. Pigeon. 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 Kabutar. Pigeon. Kabutar. It is very beautiful farm bird. Turkey. 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 Turkey is very beautiful bird. It is a farm bird like peacock. It was all about farm animals and birds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for easy English learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.